Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. Today I'm going to be making a summer berry smoothie. To start, I'm adding milk to my blender. Next, I'm going to be adding frozen bananas, followed by frozen berries. Today I'm using strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Next, I'm going to be adding vanilla Greek yogurt. And last but not least, a drizzle of honey. Now all there's left to do is blend. And there it is, a summer berry smoothie. Look at that beautiful color. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you back here next time at Recipes Mania.